Welcome to Mastering Copilot for Executive Assistants. This advanced training covers Microsoft 365 apps and empowers your productivity through hands-on Copilot techniques in Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Teams, OneNote, Loop, and Whiteboard. Get ready for professional development tailored to executive assistants. Executive assistants manage calendars, communications, and documents. Copilot transforms natural language into actions. Key benefits include inbox triage, meeting preparation, executive content creation, and accuracy checks. Copilot saves time by automating repetitive tasks while maintaining human judgment, amplifying productivity through automation and precision. Licensing and feature availability must be enabled by IT before use. Sign in with the correct identity, as data is stored in OneDrive and SharePoint. Use Copilot responsibly. Review outputs, verify facts, and avoid sensitive data leaks. Remember, Copilot inherits organizational permissions and cannot access restricted content. Strong prompts combine intent, context, constraints, and output format. Clearly state what you want Copilot to do, your data sources, and any limits on tone or length. Specify the desired result format and audience. Reference specific files, set the tone, and ask for alternatives. Review outputs, revise prompts for clarity, add constraints if needed, and verify accuracy before finalizing. In Outlook, Copilot helps you summarize lengthy email threads into executive-ready briefs, draft professional replies, and extract dates, action items, and tasks. Try prompts like, summarize this email thread into a 5-bullet executive brief. Practice by triaging your last 10 emails, summarizing 2 threads, and drafting a reply. Use Copilot in Word to draft, rewrite, and structure documents effortlessly. Create executive memos, meeting minutes, and vendor comparison documents with professional formatting. Transform raw notes into structured minutes and generate one-page briefs highlighting key risks and recommendations. For example, turn these notes into structured meeting minutes with decisions and actions. Copilot generates polished presentations from text or files. Transform meeting notes into slide decks, generate board packs from Word files, and create visual event overviews with speaker notes. Use prompts such as, generate speaker notes explaining each slide in 2 paragraphs. In Excel, Copilot analyzes data instantly. Summarize expenses by category or month, detect anomalies exceeding a 20% variance, and create visualizations like pivot tables and charts. Track vendor comparisons and identify savings across categories using natural language prompts. Copilot Chat provides integrated insights across your Microsoft 365 apps. Generate weekly executive summaries from emails, Teams chats, and meeting transcripts. Check initiative progress by consolidating data from multiple sources, and draft multi-step plans with calendar checks and references to prior notes. For example, draft a 5-step plan for VP visit, checking calendars and prior notes. Stay ahead in Teams channels with Copilot. Quickly review 48 hours of discussions, key decisions, and action items. Draft announcements for leadership and extract open tasks and blockers across conversations. Try prompts like, summarize this channel for the past 48 hours. Highlight decisions, tasks, and blockers. Streamline every meeting phase with Copilot. Generate structured agendas from previous minutes and current objectives. Capture real-time discussion highlights and extract decisions and action items for follow-up. Use prompts such as, generate a draft agenda from previous minutes and objectives. Practice using Copilot during and after your next meeting to create notes and a recap. Organize ideas into action with Copilot in OneNote. Convert brainstorms into structured plans. Create templates for recurring meetings, and summarize pages into key themes and tasks. Try, create a reusable note template for weekly staff meetings, and convert notes into a checklist or 90-day plan. Copilot in Loop enables dynamic teamwork. Create collaborative offsite plans with live task lists and participant tracking, structured tables with owners and dependencies, and shared briefing pages for real-time editing. Use prompts like, create a loop page for Q4 offsite planning with goals and timeline. Use Copilot in Whiteboard to organize ideas and export actionable plans. During planning sessions, visually cluster and categorize ideas. Copilot can group sticky notes into themes and identify patterns, then export your work into workshop agendas or action plans. For example, summarize sticky notes into a one-page action plan. Always review Copilot outputs for accuracy and tone before sharing with executives. Cite sources, verify facts, and avoid sharing sensitive data outside approved locations. Be aware of context gaps and transcription dependencies. Design suggestions are qualitative. Your judgment remains critical. Copilot accelerates work, but you own the final result. Apply Copilot across apps in real-world tasks. Compile decisions and risks from meetings and emails into weekly briefs and decks. For calendar and board prep, draft replies, resolve conflicts, and create agendas. Summarize travel expenses by category and period, chart trends, and highlight anomalies for review. Remember, you are the pilot. Copilot accelerates your work, but you own the final result. Use this quality assurance rubric. Ensure clarity, accuracy, completeness, tone, and actionability in every output.